Hi everyone, welcome to day 40. Today's my son's birthday. He lives in Cyprus and we've just had a video chat, a video Zoom birthday meeting and a quiz that involved, on my part, beer. So I'm a little bit drunk. So there's no t-shirt, just my work clothes because I'm still working. I've just packed the kiln. So what follows is prepping for the kiln and packing the kiln and various other things about kiln packing. I'm repeating myself. I think I ought to stop drinking now. Here it is. Okay, I've been doing some running repairs on the kiln. I had a oxidation problem and I've had a look at the kiln today, and I don't know if we can see it properly, but up in here there was a large crack appeared, about a centimetre wide, all up inside here behind the front wall, and there's some cracks appeared in the brickwork. So I've mixed some fibre which I took from the roof around the corner, mixed some fibre with some clay that I keep especially for this. It's just some old rubbishy clay that I've reclaimed, all slops and bits off the studio floor, and I keep all that, and rather than waste it, and I've sealed all the way around both doors, the top of both doors, where this brickwork here doesn't key into the arch. You put the arch in separate and it's not keyed in, so it moves a little bit. So I've sealed all the inside and in the back of there, sealed all here and in the back, round in the back behind there, and it's solid now, it's not going anywhere. So when you build your own kilns, you have to keep an eye on them. It's not the best kiln in the world, but it does a good job, and I think we'll get a few more firings out of it now before it has to be rebuilt, possibly this winter. Okay, so now it's on with packing. Alright, okay, that's 2/3 full. You can see now all the teapots are in, moon jars, little kiln fillers at the front here. Pop some little lids inside the gaps here on shelves. So it's all going smoothly. Got one or two things over now that I don't think I'll get in, but they'll go in the next firing. We have another firing in about a week or so. So you know, cracking along nice. Okay, I'm just going to show you how I plan on packing these eager vases. This is crank clay with some alumina mixed in. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on there. And to be double sure, I've got some shell here that I'm going to break off. A little bit of shell on that, and then the vase sits on top of it. Pretty stable. Okay, that's it all packed now. That's as well as I can pack this lot. Got a double stack here at the front just to get some tea bowls in. No room for this big one here, but there's another 4 angels back in the studio, so that'll go in the next firing. And I managed to squeeze one of the gnarly ones just behind here, behind this pot here. Just took this out and put that back in. So that's in there now. It was a bit closely packed to the top last time, and didn't get so hot in the top, so I've packed it a bit looser now, and hopefully we'll have a better result. And then with the repairs to the door, like I showed you earlier, fingers crossed we'll have a good firing. Just got to put the cones in now and then brick it up. Right, I've managed to get one of the angel vases on the bag wall there. We'll see what happens when the flame hits it. And I've popped a Nuka vase, a Nuka tea bowl on the bag wall at the front there, just to try and see what happens to that glaze when it's touched by the flame. So brick it up now. Okay, that's it. Hope that was understandable, because I've just edited this a little bit tipsy, so it could go horribly wrong. Happy days. Happy birthday, Jerome. I love you very much. I hope to see you all soon. Take care. See you tomorrow.